We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna.
Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Julie and I'm a flight attendant for one of the major airlines in the United States. Now, typically I do my best to take you guys with me on my layovers. However, today I'm not traveling for work. I am later on flying to Mallorca. So I've been sitting here patiently waiting for 6 p.m. to come because that's when boarding starts. And I'm really hoping I'm getting a seat, which I think I should be getting a seat. So anyways, my best friend is in Mallorca right now. She's been there for the last week and I have a few days off. So I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and visit her in Mallorca. So if you guys wanna come check it out with me, I suggest you guys stick around and I'll see you guys a little bit later. As you guys can see, I made it to Mallorca and I am taking the bus to where it is that I need to go because it's actually the most affordable way to get there. It's about an hour's bus ride, but it was only a couple euros. And if you guys have never used the bus in Mallorca and you are planning on doing so, you have to actually use the same credit card that you use to get on the bus when you tapped. Use it also when you get off the bus, and then this way they charge you for the distance. So don't forget to tap out when you leave the bus. Hey guys, I made it on the bus and I forgot to get my microphone, so I don't know if you can hear me. But the flight, I noticed working the flight is much easier than actually flying overseas for 8 hours. It was not very comfortable, but oh well. But I made it over here, no problem. Security was super easy, and now I'm on a bus. It's a public bus, so I'm not sure how much it is, maybe a few euros, and it takes about not quite an hour to get where I need to get. So I'll see you probably a little bit later when I get to the hotel. So there's supposed to be another bus that will actually take me directly to the hotel, but I think I'm just going to walk up to the hotel. It might be a 5-minute walk or so. So I finally made it. Yay! Cheers!
Oye, mira con el signo. ¡Que me la canta! Estoy llorando en mi habitación. Pasando por la mi alrededor. Ya se fue
dann ein Frauengedeck. Männergedeck ist Bier und Korn. Frauengedeck ist Wein und Tequila. So müssen wir das dann auch festhalten.
far, this was my highlight of being here in Mallorca. And we are going to, I don't know where we're going to right now, but we ordered a cab. And that's, I'll tell you guys later. Just gotta stick around. Just here. Cheers! Yeah, for sure.
Somebody can tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around. Lately I love you and
Oigo que sale desde dentro de mí una musiquilla que suena tal que así.
And just like that, my few days here in Mallorca have come to an end. I'm headed back to the bus station so that I can catch the bus to the airport and then head back to Newark. I hope you guys enjoyed my few days here in Mallorca. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you guys can come with me on my very next layover. And with that, I say tschüss, bis bald und auf Wiedersehen.
We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party.